different. You need a tripod. Oh, that is amazing.
Cool.
Front view.
Wow. Okay, from everywhere.
Yeah. That's quite new.
You're going out the back as well.
Because normally it's always from the Mount Albert Park. Now it's really in the Sky Tower.
Probably cheaper up here, you don't shoot them so high.
Might be.
Just straight out.
And I guess more safe. Wow. Oh.
Gosh, it's so much nicer just sitting here than going down there, eh?
Yep. Oh, wow. Isn't it nice? Just sitting on your chair at your balcony and have some wine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's out of sync here, so we're far away. Cool Sky Tower, eh?
I think it's more safer to do that like that.
It's cheaper.
And the smoke, look at the smoke. Remember in the Albert? It's really, really smoke and all this dust falling to your face.
Oh, we
Wow! Oh, that's a finale.
see someone coming towards us and you
That
can't
is
see the one
really
behind.
cool.
So weird.
Con have fat choy.
Whoa.
It's like a butterfly. Whoa, different colors.
Almost looks like ATE cannons is what I was
Yeah.
thinking it sounds like.
Oh,
Whoa.
that is nice.
Now it's going right around the outside
Yeah.
slowly. Can't see the other side so way.
Whoa, oh, that is nice.